Hello friends, welcome to my channel HS Worry. Friend, today in this video I will show you how you can use your YouTube as a music player in your Android mobile phone. So if you want to use your YouTube with screen off in your Android mobile phone, then I will show you. So here inside about phone, here you can see I'm using Android 11 version for making this video. So in this mobile phone, what you have to do, you have to install a one app.
Welcome to my channel.
You have to download this app, Floaty Minimizer. Here you can see this app. I'm rotating here and there. You have to download this app from Play Store. So once you have downloaded, then open this app, and here you can see your complete YouTube is here. Just search whatever video you want to search, and directly you can play any one video. Then what you have to do, you have to press your power key for screen off of your mobile phone. Just press the power key, your video sound will be continue in the background. So now I cannot do this because my screen recording will get stopped. So hope friend this video is helpful for you. If this is helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.